welcome and welcome back to the Baddest Palace. It's your girl Jimmy and I'm back again with another video. You already know, you know how it is, girl. And as you can see by the title, we are getting our hair done again, okay? I'm getting my hair done again because Janae, which is the wig, is tired of me and I'm tired of Janae. Like, we need a break from each other. So we were gifted a wig from Yolova Hair Company, and the website link will be down below. And for my queens, I have a discount code for you all. It will be down in the description box, so if you want a wig, it's down there. Now let's talk about the packaging. So here is the packaging. Let me move up close. Born for beauty, because you know, us queens, we were really born for beauty, for brains, for every single good thing that the Lord has given us, okay? So inside the box, wait, and then when you take that off, it's the hair company's name, which is Yolova, as I said before. And then inside we have a dust bag with the company's name. And inside it had the wig, which I had to take out, tweezers, lashes, and glue. And lastly, we have a wig cap. Now that I'm done with telling you all the items that was in this box, let's talk about Miss Girl. She is a Jerry Curly 13x4 frontal wig that is a 180% density, and the color of this wig is piano honey blonde. Like, I really can't wait to see how this looks on me. And it is 24 inches long, and I believe so knots, and it is ready for install. So comment down below which one, like, what's the name, what we're gonna call Miss Girl, what we're gonna call her. I don't really know. I don't know who I'm gonna be when I have her on my head. We're gonna find out soon. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check down the description because their website is there. I wish that you guys could feel it with me. It feels so nice and so soft. No tangles, period. And the description is, the discount code is down below for all my queens that need a new wig. Now let's go and get slayed after I take this wig off. Hey!
Hey!
How are you? That's good. So you can see on the right chair. So here is the finished look. This, I'm gonna say what it is again, just in case you forgot. This is the Piano Honey Blonde Jerry Curly 13x4 frontal wig. We did a glueless install, and yeah, this is where it stops to me, and it's 24 inches. I think I just said that. And it was given to us from Yolova Hair. Period. And we have a discount code, so don't forget to check the description box for the link to the website and to see our discount code. And I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking.